Hey there friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can give your boring photos a vintage yearbook look. So today I'll be using dall-e from ChatGPT, and the first step is to go to chatgpt.com, and on the prompt page click on the plus button, click on add photos and file, choose the file you want to edit, and now we can start writing our prompt. We can start feeding the AI our prompt, so we can try to be as detailed as we can be to make sure we get things on the first try. I'll start with take this image and change the background. Turn the background into a tie-dye style backdrop. Make it look like a vintage yearbook photo from the 80s or 90s. So I'm pretty satisfied with our prompt. All that's left to do is press enter and feed it into the AI and see what it gives us. So let's give it a few minutes to analyze and create a new image. And there's our final product. Overall, pretty happy with how it turned out. It even added sort of a grainy film layer over it and preserved a lot of the detail of the original photo. So let's see if we can... Is there anything left to improve in the photo? Well, no, I'm pretty happy with that. So all that's left to do is mouse over it, click on the download button to save it, and there you have it. That's how you can apply an old vintage yearbook look to some of your old boring photos.